Welcome to math today. We are going to go ahead and get started. We're going to do calendar, problem of the day. We're going to practice adding 3 add-ins, and then we're going to finish with our problem of the day for today. So let's go ahead and get started. Yesterday was Tuesday, which makes today what day of the week? It makes it Wednesday. And what number do we have today? We have the 20, which when we talk about our calendar, we say the 20th with that TH at the end. So let's say our calendar all together. Ready? Today is Wednesday, May 20th. Very good. We are going to add our next sticker onto our days of the year here. And we're going to do similar to what we did yesterday when we talked about our days of the year. And we are going to start from 160, and we're going to think about what 160 and 7 more would equal. So we have 160, and we have 7 more, making 167. 167. We have been in school 167 days. And look how close we are to that red square that indicates our very last day of school. You are so close. Just a few more days. Keep pushing. We're going to add our next straw right over here, making 167. We have one group of 100. We have 6 groups of 10, making 60. And we have 7 ones. When we look at our base 10 blocks, same idea. We have one group of 100, 6 tens, making 60, and 7 ones, 167. Okay, looking at our problem of the day from yesterday, I was so impressed. You guys did such a fantastic job on it yesterday. We had 2 plus 3 plus 1, and I asked you to draw a picture, and I saw lots of friends draw dots below the numbers. So I'm going to do that real fast. 2, 3, and 1. And then you just count all your dots and see how many dots you have, and the answer was 6. So if you got 6, you did an amazing job. But like I said, I was so impressed that you guys did it after one day of it. So let's go ahead and practice today. We are going to just practice some different problems. Today we're going to focus on using our fingers. There we go. Instead of drawing pictures today, because remember, your fingers are always going to be with you no matter where you are. Whereas we don't always have a pencil and paper to bring with us to draw a picture of something. So today we're going to focus on using our fingers to solve our math problems. So are you ready? Are your fingers ready? Because they're going to get a workout today. Awesome, here we go. We are going to start with 2 plus 0 plus 4. That is our first one. So get those fingers ready. We're going to start with the first 2 numbers. Remember, we always start with the first 2 numbers. So 2 plus 0 more. Do I stick up any more fingers when I have plus 0? Nope, because I'm adding nothing to it. So no more fingers. So 2 plus 0 equals 2 plus 4. Now I'm going to count up 4 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. What's our answer? 6. Great job. We did that one together. We're going to do the next one together again, and then I'm going to start letting you do more of the work. So this time, let's do 1 plus 3 plus 5. So we're going to start with those first 2 numbers again. 1 plus 3, so 1 plus 3 more. I'm going to count up 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3 plus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What's our answer today? 9. 9 is our answer. Okay, so now you're going to start doing more of the work. Are you ready? Okay, so Mrs. Arnold is going to start you off, and we're going to work together, but you are going to be doing more of the work this time instead of Mrs. Arnold. So here we go. We have 3 plus 2 plus 0. So, where do we start, friends? I start with the 3 plus the 2. So let's do 3 plus 2, but we're going to do it on one hand, not 2. So 3 plusing 2, we're going to put up 2 more fingers. 1, 2. Now, we're going to plus what? We're going to plus 0. So when we plus 0, do we add any more fingers to our answer? No, we do not. So what is our answer? It's 5. Great job. Okay, here's our next one. We're going to do 4 plus 2 plus 4. Where do I start? With the first 2 numbers. 4 plus 2. So go ahead and do 4 plus 2, but remember, try to do it with one hand. You only add the second hand if you need more fingers. I do not want to see 4, 2, and you counting your fingers. I want to see 4, and then 1, 2. So we're at how many right now? We're at 6, and what do we do next? We're going to add 4 more. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many do we have? 10. We have 10. Fantastic. Okay. Let's do, got an idea. 1 plus 7 plus 1. I threw a big number in there. I want you to try to do this one on your own. If you're stuck, think about where you start. You should start with those first 2 numbers, add those together. Once you get that one, add the last one on there. Okay, here we go. So I start with those first 2 numbers, 1 plus 7. So 1 plus 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I add 1 more on there. So plus 1 equals 9. It does equal 9. Okay, here is our last problem for today. We are going to do, let's do 3 plus 3 plus 3. Go ahead and begin. Mrs. Arnold will wait. If you're stuck, go ahead and start with those first 2 numbers. 3 plus 3, which you should know right off the top of your head, because that's a doubles fact. Then add 3 more to it. Okay, here we go. So I have 3 plus 3. So 1, 2, 3 plus 3. 1, 2, 3. What did I get? I got 9 again. Oh my goodness, so many 9s. You guys did such a fabulous job today. I have your problem of the day. Are you ready for your problem of the day? Here it is. I want you to do 2 plus 6 plus 2. And if you need to, you can draw your picture, but I encourage you to try to use your fingers to solve that problem. But if your fingers aren't working, you can absolutely draw your picture. Drawing a picture is always okay. So 2 plus 6 plus 2. Okay, I will see you later. Bye.